Hey everyone, Nick Griot from Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about rinseless wash and wax. Does your car get too dirty to drive, but you don't have the time to bust out all of your car wash gear, or you live in a place that makes it hard to wash in a traditional manner? Enter Rinseless Wash and Wax. It removes light to moderate contaminants while also enhancing gloss and protection, and since you're not rinsing, you get a full service wash in 1/4 of the time of a traditional hose and bucket wash, and you also save tons of water. Rinseless Wash and Wax is ideal for washing cars, RVs, boats, anything, anytime, anywhere, indoors or out. Simply pour 2 ounces of this highly concentrated formula into our ultimate car wash bucket and add 5 gallons of water. This super concentrated 320:1 dilution ratio is safe for light to moderately dirty cars. Once the super slick solution is prepared, saturate either a microfiber wash pad or a plush edgeless microfiber towel, wring out the excess solution, and wash the car from the top down. Wash in gentle, straight lines in single passes and leave below the belt line for last. Wash a section at a time and dry each section using a PFM terry weave drying towel before moving on. It really is that easy to get a professional grade wash in the safety and comfort of your garage. And with the polymeric and carnauba wax blend, you're going to see a very nice hydrophobic effect with tight water beads. The water just sheets right off the paint, signaling you're ready to face any kind of weather. Rinseless Wash and Wax is essentially the Swiss Army knife in your detailing arsenal. It's more than a great way to get a fast and easy wash. Mix it at a 15:1 dilution ratio and you'll open the product up to a wide variety of additional uses. Our dilution bottle makes getting the right blend easy. The bottle has a mixing guide on the back label. Just fill the bottle up with water up to the first line, add Rinseless Wash and Wax up to the second line, and then fill the bottle the rest of the way up, and you're locked and loaded. In this form, Rinseless Wash and Wax can be used as a pre-wash on more heavily contaminated surfaces, like particularly dirty areas below the belt line, including your wheels. Spray some on the affected area and let it dwell a minute or two before moving forward with your car washing. Rinseless Wash and Wax does more than just wash. In its 15:1 dilution, it can serve as a drying aid as well. After your final rinse, just mist some on the paint as your towel drying, and reap the benefits of enhanced water beading, increased surface slickness, and more gloss. Rinseless Wash and Wax adds to the base coat of your pre-existing protective products like waxes, sealants, and ceramic coatings. If paint correction is part of your weekend therapy plan, Rinseless Wash and Wax can also be used as a lubricant with our traditional clay bar and any of our synthetic clay products. Mist the diluted solution on the surface and glide your clay across the vehicle to remove stubborn embedded contaminants. Additionally, that 15:1 dilution can be used as a waterless wash solution. Simply spray and wipe to aid in the removal of light to moderate dirt and dust when paired with our microfiber plush edgeless towels. Lastly, Rinseless Wash and Wax can also be used on windows. Its intense water beading and easy final wipe down characteristics provide improved clarity when used on glass. Thanks to its ability to deliver a fast and easy wash, and effective detailing, and all the other uses I described, Rinseless Wash and Wax is one of the most versatile car cleaning products on the market and a must-have for your car care arsenal. Thank you for watching. For more information on Rinseless Wash and Wax, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.